Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $50 in minutes typing Captchas. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video, and all you have to do is type that code word down in the comments below, because it's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So please look out for that code word and type it down in the comments below. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first website. I'm going to show you two websites. So the name of the first website I'm showing you is Captchas. So this website will pay you to solve Captchas. And this is a Captcha right here. So you try to figure that out. And once you figure it out, you get paid. So it says here 50 cents. So starting from 50 cents for 1,000 solved Captchas. So they're going to pay you 50 cents for every 1,000 Captchas solved. Now I know you're probably saying that's a lot of Captchas, but it don't take but a seconds to solve these Captchas and move on to the next. So it says here API available for most popular programming languages, and average response time is less than 12 seconds. You click here to learn more about this, and if you're ready to start, you click start right here. And so this is home data entry work. You get instant payments, and it's easy to start. And you need to have a PayPal account to start, guys. So that's the only way you can get paid, through a PayPal account. So the rates are 0.4 per 1,000 normal Captchas, $1.01 per 1,000 recaptures. Capture speed is 11 seconds, and recapture is 20 seconds. And they had to ban some workers, because some workers probably try to cheat to try to get as many Captchas solved by getting some type of software to solve it, and they can detect that. So don't try to do that, guys. And here's the supported Captchas. They have simple Captchas, they have text Captchas, click Captchas, rotate. So they got all different type of Captchas you'll be able to solve, guys. So you could pick which one is better for you, that you could solve real fast. So I'm not going to say much more about this website. I've talked about it before in the past, and it's real simple. You just go ahead and click up here to register and sign up as a worker, start getting Captchas to solve, and start making this money. Now let me go to the second website. All right, guys, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Mega Typers. And as you can see here, it's free to sign up. So it says here, easy job, easy money. So earn typer credits worth over $200 every month, guys. So you can make over $200 every month with this website. So Mega Typers is great for mothers to stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, or people in between jobs. So on here, you're going to be doing Captchas also. And it says here, how much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Our top typers earn between 100 typer credits and 250 typer credits each month, guys. Our payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000 word images typed, and can go as high as $1.50 per 1,000. And of course, you need to have a PayPal account, but you also can, if you have a debit card, or you can get it the money sent to you by bank check, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. So this is very similar to the other site, guys, but you can make much more money on this site. So if you're ready to make money on this site, go ahead and go to megatypers.com, sign up, and get started. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any question about either one of these websites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing before I leave. I want to do a shout out. I'm trying to do this every video I drop. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this comment right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you keep watching my videos, and hope you are sharing them so you can help me get this channel to 7,000 subscribers. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you again for your support. Keep supporting me, and I'm gonna keep dropping these videos and keep giving away some free money. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.